Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to On. My friends, it's springtime and you know what that means: barbecues, fish fry, crawfish, and fresh berry season. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a southern blackberry cobbler. It's going to be bursting with blackberry goodness, delicious. It's going to be so simple and easy to make. All right, you ready? Let's go bake some blackberry cobbler magic in my southern kitchen. All right, in my bowl, I have 3½ cups of fresh blackberries. We're going to add in ½ cup of white sugar and 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Alright my friends, now it's time for the best part, the crust. So in my bowl I have 1½ cups of self-rising flour, and we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, and we're going to whisk it so that way we won't get any lumps. Alright my friends, I got all my evaporated milk in. So next, for the final ingredient, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon of lemon extract, ½ teaspoon of almond extract, and 1 teaspoon of butter extract. And whisk all this together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, now we're ready to assemble everything. Over here I have a 9x13-inch baking dish, and I melt some butter in the oven. I use 1 stick. So now we're going to pour the crust right on top. Alright my friends, I got all the batter, so now we're going to pour the blackberries right on top of the crust. Alright my friends, I got all my blackberries in along with the blackberry juice, and this is the important step. You don't want to stir the crust and the blackberries, otherwise the crust won't rise up to the top. Alright girlfriend, you ready to go into the oven? We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 45 minutes until the crust is nice and golden brown. It's going to be amazing. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, look at my beautiful blackberry cobbler, and it smells awesome in this kitchen. Nice and golden brown and bubbly. Ain't nothing like the smell of hot cobbler, blackberry, peach cobbler, any kind of cobbler. Alright, so now I'm going to let this cool for a few minutes, and then I'm going to fix me up a plate. Alright my friends, here's my plate, and there you have it, southern blackberry cobbler. And you can't have a cobbler without a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's the bomb.com. Alright, here we go. Lord have mercy. My friends, wait until you taste that crust. So buttery, and the blackberries nice and tender. If you have a fish fry or barbecue coming up, please make this blackberry cobbler. Everybody will go crazy over this. This deserves another bite, and I got me a little ice cream. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!